everyone! Welcome to Introduction to Theater Arts. What is Introduction to Theater Arts? Theater arts is an art form concerned almost exclusively with live performances in which the action is precisely planned to create a coherent and significant sense of drama. These are the various roles contribute to a successful production: producer, director, actors, designers, builders, crews, stage manager, house manager, and playwright. The Greeks developed concept of dramatic criticism, acting as a career in theater architecture. Ancient Greek theater consisted of three types of drama: tragedy, comedy, and the satyr play. Performances took place in semicircular auditoria, capable of seating thousands of people. The stage including a dancing floor, dressing room, and scene-building area.
There's a mad dog on the rampage. If you think he'll change, save your breath. Just say yes, I don't care if you love him. But his life has an over death.
I have a husband I love, real as the sun in the sky.
In the next episode of Com 151, we will be talking about the roles of the collaboration team. For more update, like, share, subscribe, and click notification button. See you in the next video. Click speak.